Have you ever struggled with keeping your Excel data clean and consistent? For example, when people type in different spellings like yes, YESS or yes with caps, it becomes hard to find or analyze the data. Well, there is a simple solution, a drop down list in Excel. It allows you to control the input so users can only choose from predefined options. Let's see how to do it step by step. Step 1. Select the cell or range where you want the drop down list. Step 2. Go to the top menu and click on the Data tab. Step 3. In Data Tools group, click on Data Validation. Step 4. A dialog box will open. Under Allow, choose List. Step 5. In Source box, type items you want separated by commas. For example, yes, no, maybe. Step 6. Click OK and now your drop down is ready. You can click on the arrow in the cell and select an option from the list. And that's it. You have successfully added a drop down list in Excel. This small trick makes your sheet more professional and reduces errors. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Excel quick tips. See you in the next video.